Hi students, welcome to Marketing 302, Marketing Concepts. We will use OAKS as the primary platform. Now, let me briefly show you how to use OAKS. When you get to the homepage of Marketing 302 on OAKS, see here, you have announcements, and you also have a calendar. I will post announcements, reminders, and the deadlines right here. So please make sure you check the calendar, check the announcements, and also check your syllabus for any deadlines. Now, let's move on to the course materials. Let's start from here, content. You can always download the syllabus right here. And if you click Introduction, that takes you to a few files. This file is a brief introduction of myself. Dr. Shea. My last name is pronounced Shea. And this file is a PowerPoint version of this introduction on OAKS. You can also download the slides. As an online course, this Marketing 302 section primarily uses the online module. You can actually have access to this online module through OAKS. You can click here. That takes you to the module. When you purchase the textbook, it comes with an access code. With the access code, you can actually sign up to the online module. Please make sure that you need to go through OAKS to get to the online module. Please do not go to the module directly. Always use this link to go to the online module. If you click here, it takes you directly to the website of the online module. It's right here. See here, there are a number of chapters. For each chapter, there are a number of assignments. You need to complete all the assignments in a particular chapter. And there is a deadline for each chapter. Right here, there are a few files that provides information about how to do some of those online assignments. So make sure that you download the video or the slides to get a good idea about how to do the assignments. For any information or instruction about how to use the access code to register to the online module, you can click here, syllabus, and there is a file that actually provides some information and instruction about registration. Now, let's move on to another major component of this course, participation and discussion. All students are required to contribute to course discussion. Let's start from here. Communication and discussions. See here, there are a number of discussion topics. For example, if you want to have any question or comments or observations about this course, you can click here and post a message. For introduction, each student is required to introduce yourself to the whole class. So you can also click here and post a brief message to introduce yourself. For each chapter, each student is required to post at least one discussion message. So you can click here for chapter 1. Please make sure that there is a deadline. For chapter 1, the deadline is 10 p.m. Saturday, July the 7th, for example. You can always see that there is a deadline for a particular chapter. Now, there is a marketing project required for students. After you are done with your marketing project, you may want to submit your project onto OAKS. You can go from here, grades, and the Dropbox. And you can click the Dropbox and submit your paper. Again, there is a deadline for this project. Hopefully this short video is able to give you a good idea about how to use OAKS. If you have any questions, please let me know. Good luck.